Welcome to Falcon Excel Academy. I am Keval Vijay and today I am going to teach you the 15th chapter of 2021. Today we will talk about the Insert tabs text group and symbol group, how you can insert a text box within it, how to properly use header and footer, how to use Word, how to insert a signature line, what objects are, and how to add symbols. So before starting the lecture, as always, I would like to say that if you are able to learn something new from today's video, please make sure to like and share this video. So let's start today's lecture. Today we will talk about the text box, how you can write any data anywhere inside an open sheet, how you can write something over a picture or write something over a shape. If you want to write anything anywhere and want to move it easily, then you will use the text box. You can also use it to create headings. So what do you need to do for this? You need to come here, then click on the text box, and by clicking anywhere, you will create a box. Just like I am doing here, it works in the same way. After that, whatever we want to write here, for example, I typed MS Excel 2021 here, then I pressed enter and typed Leah Falak Excel Academy. In this way, we can write data here, and by clicking on its outline, you can also format it. Just like with AutoShape, you can use the same commands here. For example, I changed its color here, then I clicked on Home and centered it from here. By clicking here, we can also increase its size. In this way, you can create any heading and adjust it anywhere you want, whether it's horizontal or vertical. Next, in the insert command, we'll talk about the header and footer, which is a very important command in MS Excel. If you want to insert a page number or a logo on the page, you need to use the header and footer. When you click on header and footer, this layout will open up in front of you, meaning you move from the normal layout to the page layout. You need to click where you want to add the page number, and as soon as you click here, the header and footer tab opens above. You need to click here, and then the commands available here include page number. You can click here to insert a page number. Next, there's the number of pages command, which will show your total pages as well as the current page. Well, you might not need this, but then there's the current page, current date. You can insert the date here, and along with that, you can also insert the current time. You can also insert the file path, meaning which drive, which folder, and under what name the file is saved. For example, here it's saved in C drive, users, documents, under the name book 2. Next, we come to the header and footer, and if you want, you can also insert the sheet name here. When you click here, the sheet name will appear. If you want to insert a logo or something similar, let me show you how. To insert a logo, go to header and footer, then click on picture and go to the drive where your logo is stored. Here we click on from file and then go to the drive where our logo is located. For example, here I bring in the Falcon Excel Academy logo. As I click on Falcon Excel Academy, we need to insert the logo here. See, here is the logo. Click on the logo, and as soon as you click insert, the logo will be inserted here. Now, when you click on the sheet, you'll see the logo. If the logo size is large and you want to format or resize it, click here, then click on Format Picture. After clicking Format Picture, the Format Picture box will open. Uncheck the lock command, and here you need to enter its height like 0.5 and 0.5. As soon as you click OK, you'll see the logo size has decreased. If you want to increase it, you can do that too. Next, there's the Go to Footer command where you can click to go to the footer, and you can also click here to go to the header. After that, you can set different first page, different odd, even pages, and then you can also scale with documents, which we will cover again later in page layout. Now see, when we come here in normal mode you won't see the logo or the page number. You can start writing any data here. For example, I wrote Falcon Excel Academy here. This is written on page number 1. Now, for example, if we press Ctrl plus P from the keyboard, then in print preview you will see the page number, the header, the photo, and the logo as well. Either you can see this by clicking on layout, or you can click on file and then click on print. So when you go to file and print, you will see the logo in the print preview, and after that you will also see the date and time, and then the date as well. Along with that, you will also see the page number here, and at the bottom you will see the file path. In the same way, if we go to the second page, and as we keep writing or calling, you will see that we now have about 4 to 5 pages created. Now, as we press Ctrl plus P from the keyboard, you can see that we have a total of 4 pages here, and at the top, both the header and the photo are being printed. When we go to page number 2, we can still see them. On page 3, they are still visible, and on page 4, they are still there. No matter how many pages you create, the page number, logo, and the rest of your data in the header and footer will keep printing on all of them. If you want to delete this, you also need to go to Insert, then go to Header and Footer, and by clicking here, you can delete it as well. Just like when you insert it on one page, it gets inserted on all pages. Similarly, if you delete it from one page, it will be deleted from all pages. Now, when you press Ctrl plus P from the keyboard, you will see that neither the header nor the footer is being printed. So in this way, you can remove or add them here. Next, we are going to learn about the next point. When we go to Insert and click on it, we will talk about WordArt. If you want to give a heading or a title, you can use WordArt for that. As soon as you click here, you will get ready-made styles, and from here, you have to enter your heading. For example, I have typed the heading Falcon Excel Academy here. All the other commands are the same as what we have already learned, like clicking on Home to decrease the size. And if you want to format it, you have to click on the Shape Format tab above, and by clicking here, you can change its style, color, and formatting. See, all the commands are exactly the same as what we have already learned. After this, let's move on to the next command, which is inserting a signature line. If you want to insert a signature line somewhere, suppose I want to insert a signature line at this spot. I'll zoom in here so you can clearly see where the signature line is being inserted. Here, we want to insert the signature line. Click on signature line here, and then click on Microsoft signature line. This setup for the signature line will open in front of you. This box will open. So first, you have to write the name of the person whose signature you want. For example, I will type my own name. Only the registered signer for the title, you will enter the title here, such as what the designation is, manager, director, CEO, whose signature you want. So here I type my designation, and after that, as soon as I click OK, you can see that the signature line has been inserted here. Now, as needed, I can adjust it anywhere, and I can also resize it from here. This way you can insert a signature line on the sheet as well. Next, in the coming segment, we will talk about objects. What happens with objects is that you can convert one program into another. For example, if you want to work with Word while staying in Excel, or work with PowerPoint, or use any other program within Excel, then you will use the object feature for that. So you have to click on Object. As soon as we click on Object, this dialog box for Object will open in front of us. From here, you have to select the program that you want to switch to within Excel. For example, we have Word, Microsoft Word. As soon as we click on it, you will see that your Excel program has now been converted into Word. Now, the page that has opened in front of you is from Word, and as soon as you click on it, all the commands you see above are from MS Word. So, while staying in Excel, you can also do Word tasks, PowerPoint tasks, or work from any other program. If you want to go back, you can click on the sheet. After clicking on the sheet, you are back in Excel. If you want to go to Word, just double click and you will go to Word, and by clicking here, you can come back to Excel again. If you want to delete it, click on its outline and you can delete it as well. After that, in the next command, we are going to study about equations. If you want to enter any math equations, you can also click here and enter them. So for equations, as you see, when we click here, the share format box appears above. You click inside it and equations, share format, equation, share format. We have already studied share format before. In equations, you can see that we have a lot of commands appearing here, and whichever type of equations you want to add, you can add them by clicking here. After that, the last command we have is coming up. Insert and symbol. If you want to insert any type of symbol here, whether it's for a registered trademark, copyright trademark, bullets, numbers, or any other format, you can insert it here. For that, what you need to do is click inside the cell where you want to bring the symbol. After clicking, a dialog box for symbols will open in front of you. Then you need to click here. By clicking here, you can access Wingdings 1. We have a category here called Wingdings. Inside Wingdings, you can see we have symbols for contact, email, and all sorts of religious symbols as well. Now, according to your need, click on the symbol you want and insert it, and that symbol will be inserted here. By clicking on card, you can also fill the rest of the cells. After that, if you want to insert the registered symbol, copyright, or trademark, there is an easy way for that too. Go to Symbols, click on Special Characters, and see If you click on copyright, the copyright symbol will appear. If you click on registered, the registered symbol will appear. If you click on trademark, the trademark symbol will appear. In this way, you can also insert symbols here. So this was about the last group of the insert tab, symbols, and after that about the text group. We have studied it, I hope. In today's lecture, you must have learned many new commands. If you like the video, please like it and share it with your friends. We will meet in the next lecture. Until then, goodbye.